Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create stone art wonders, transforming nature's beauty into art. This project will inspire you to use natural stones creatively. Materials needed: various stones, river stones, pebbles, or flat stones, acrylic paints or permanent markers, paintbrushes, various sizes, clear sealant, spray or brush on, outdoor varnish, if using for outdoor decor, optional glue for mosaic designs, additional decorative materials, glitter, beads, etc. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Gather your stones. Collect stones from your local area or purchase them. Look for different shapes, sizes, and colors to add variety to your art. 2. Clean the stones. Wash the stones with soap and water to remove dirt and debris. Let them dry completely before starting your project. 3. Plan your design. Sketch out your ideas on paper. Decide whether you want to create painted stones, mosaics, or sculptures. Consider themes like nature, animals, or abstract designs. 4. Create your art. 4. Painted stones. Use acrylic paints or permanent markers to draw your designs directly onto the stones. Start with a base coat if needed, then add details. For mosaics, arrange smaller stones or pebbles on a base, like wood or canvas, to form a picture or pattern. Use glue to secure them in place. For sculptures, if you're carving, use tools suitable for the type of stone you've chosen. Start with simple shapes and gradually refine your design. 5. Add finishing touches. Once your paint or glue is dry, consider adding decorative elements like glitter, beads, or additional paint details for enhanced effect. 6. Seal your art. Apply a clear sealant to protect your art from the elements, especially if it will be outdoors. This will help preserve the colors and finish. 7. Display your art. Find a special place to showcase your stone art. This could be in your garden, as a centerpiece indoors, or even gifted to friends. 8. Take photos. Capture your finished pieces. Share them on social media or with friends to inspire others to create their own stone art. Creating stone art is a wonderful way to connect with nature while expressing your creativity. Enjoy the process of transforming simple stones into beautiful works of art, and let your imagination run wild. What kind of sealant is best for outdoor stone art? Inspire idea. When choosing a sealant for outdoor stone art, it's important to consider factors like durability, UV protection, and water resistance. Here are some of the best options along with ideas for their use. 1. Acrylic sealant. Description: water-based sealants that are easy to apply and dry clear. Benefits: non-toxic, flexible, and offers good UV resistance. Ideal for painted stones. Idea: use for vibrant painted designs to protect colors from fading in sunlight. 2. Polyurethane sealant. Description: provides a tough, durable finish suitable for outdoor use. Benefits: excellent water and UV resistance, making it perfect for high-traffic areas. Idea: apply this sealant to sculptures or heavily used garden art to ensure longevity. 3. Epoxy sealant. Description: two-part adhesives that create a strong, waterproof finish. Benefits: extremely durable and resistant to cracking, ideal for intricate designs. Idea: use for mosaic stone art where durability and weather resistance are essential. 4. Stone enhancer sealant. Description: specifically designed to enhance the natural beauty of stone while providing protection. Benefits: penetrates the stone to repel water and stains without altering the color. Idea: ideal for natural stone art pieces to maintain their texture and appearance while protecting against moisture. 5. Water repellent sealant. Description: designed to repel water without forming a film on the surface. Benefits: lets the stone breathe while preventing moisture damage and staining. Idea: use for outdoor garden markers to keep them looking fresh and prevent deterioration. Application tips. Preparation: clean the stone surface thoroughly before applying the sealant to ensure proper adhesion. Multiple coats. For added protection, consider applying multiple thin coats rather than one thick coat. Drying time. Allow ample drying time between coats as recommended by the product instructions. Selecting the right sealant not only enhances the appearance of your outdoor stone art but also ensures its longevity against the element. By using these sealants thoughtfully, you can create lasting pieces that bring beauty to your outdoor spaces. How do I choose between acrylic and polyurethane sealants for painted stones? Choosing between acrylic and polyurethane sealants for painted stones depends on several factors, including the intended use, desired finish, and environmental conditions. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Acrylic sealants. Benefits. Ease of use. Acrylic sealants are water-based, making them easy to apply and clean up with soap and water. Fast drying. They typically dry quickly, allowing for faster project completion. Non-toxic. Generally safer to use, especially for indoor projects or in areas frequented by children and pets. Flexibility. Good for materials that may expand or contract with temperature changes. Considerations. Durability. While suitable for many projects, acrylic sealants may not be as durable as polyurethane, particularly in high-traffic areas or extreme weather. UV resistance. Offers decent UV protection but may not be as robust as polyurethane options. Polyurethane sealants. Benefits. Durability. Provides a tough, protective finish that is highly resistant to wear and tear, making it ideal for outdoor use. Water resistance. Excellent for protecting against moisture, which is crucial for painted stones exposed to the element. Long-lasting. Typically offers a longer lifespan and better protection against scratches and scuff. Considerations. Application. Generally requires more careful application as it can be trickier to work with than acrylic. Cleanup. Most polyurethane sealants are solvent-based, requiring mineral spirits or other solvents for cleanup. Odor. Can have a stronger odor, so good ventilation is essential during application. Choosing the right sealant. Project location. For indoor projects or decorative items that won't be exposed to harsh conditions, acrylic sealants are often sufficient. For outdoor items, especially those exposed to rain, UV light, or harsh weather, polyurethane is usually the better choice. Desired finish. If you want a clear, glossy finish that enhances colors, polyurethane may provide a more vibrant look. If you prefer a matte or natural look, acrylic might be more suitable. Longevity. For items you want to last a long time with minimal maintenance, go with polyurethane. Ease of use. If you're a beginner or prefer a straightforward application process, acrylic sealants are easier to work with. Ultimately, the choice between acrylic and polyurethane sealants for painted stones depends on your specific project need. Consider where the stones will be displayed, how much wear they will endure, and your comfort level with the application process.